Salute future tech winners. Welcome back to the JumpStart IT Academy YouTube channel. Today, we're going to get right into it. We're going to be going over the top 5 highest paying AWS certifications. Let's get into it. All right. So basically, the AWS or the cloud market is competitive and it's hard to retain employees. And we're going to go right into it. But what is an AWS certification? So you see there is a demand for the AWS certifications, and some of them are really high paying. So we're going to take a look at those. But just to get a good foundation, what is an AWS certification? An AWS certification validates a professional's experience in various aspects of cloud computing, including architecture, development, operations, and security. These certifications span different levels: foundational, associate, professional, and specialty, to cater to various skill sets and support one's career from junior to senior. They demonstrate proficiency in AWS technologies, enhance career prospects, and increase earning potential. Often they're listed as job requirements. Additionally, AWS certifications can help professionals close skill gaps, stay current with industry trends and best practices, as well as provide opportunity for networking and professional growth. Are AWS certifications worth it? Number 1, they give you enhanced career opportunities. Number 2, they increase your earning potential. Number 3, skill validation. Number 4, industry recognition. And number 5, access to exclusive resources. So of course, yes, the AWS certification is worth it. Now, here are the top 5 highest paying AWS certifications. This is globally. Now, they have it listed right there. You can see it's about average 132. I would say 132K, about average for all these certifications. So the first one is AWS Certified Security Specialty, AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty, AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, and AWS Certified Solutions Architect. Let's make sure everything's good over here. Okay. So, and the last one is number 5 is AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional. The average certification holder is 35. Manage a team, 59% manage a team, 69% hold a cybersecurity certification. The average number of certifications is 10. Most likely cost certification vendors: Microsoft, Google, and ISC2. Average salary worldwide, $100,051. That's worldwide. The first one is AWS Certified Security Specialty. Around the world is 138. In the US, 166. I don't know. I think there's European Union. I think this is Asia. This is Latin America. Ranking at the top of our list is AWS Certified Security Specialty. They know how to secure data in AWS Cloud, understand specialized data classifications, data encryption methods, and secure internet protocols. Candidates who plan to pursue this specialty certification benefit from starting with the solutions architect, associate, or professional. And they give you basically tell you what you should have, and you can go into that. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can go over this yourself. We just want to just have a brief review of all these top 5 highest paying certifications. Recommended for this certification: AWS Security Essentials, Architect on AWS, and Security Engineering on AWS. The next one, number 2, AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty. You can see in the US is 153K. The AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty certification is best suited for candidates with 5 or more years of professional experience whose focus at work is on developing complex networking solutions. Those architects and engineers who plan to sit in the exam should feel confident in their ability to design hybrid and cloud-based solutions, know AWS services and best practices. When studying for the exam, the domains focus on network design, which is 30%, implementations, which is 26%, management and operations is at 20%, and network security, compliance, and governance, 24%. You can read the details of what to do before sitting for this exam. Recommended certification training: AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty Exam Global Knowledge, and Advanced Architect on AWS course at Global Knowledge. They're pointing you towards Global Knowledge, and that could be kind of pricey. So just make a wise decision when you figure out or determine where you're going to get your training. The next one is AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, and it looks like in America it's $156K, $547. Globally, artificial intelligence and machine learning are priority areas of investment for tech leaders. That said, it's also causing some tension. Most leaders say their team skills in this domain aren't where they should be, with only 8% saying they employ highly skilled workers. This certification should signal to employers that have the right talent to build and operationalize machine learning models using AWS. For candidates, it's important to study these domains prior to sitting in for the exam: data engineering, exploratory data analysis, modeling, and machine learning implementation. And then they give you tips for what you should do before you take the exam, and the recommended courses are there as follows. A next one is AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional, and in the US, they make $174,137 on average. Also ranked on this year's overall top paying IT certifications list, the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional commands high salaries. Given the output of these professionals, candidates chasing this certification must have advanced knowledge of the well-architected framework and know how to craft complex solutions by bringing together many of these services AWS offers. The exam tests cloud architects' ability to design new solutions and improve them over time while migrating and modernizing workloads. We'll continue to the next one. AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional. In the US, they make about $150,546. The final AWS certification on our list is the DevOps Engineer Professional, which validates a candidate's technical expertise in provisioning, operating, and managing distributed application systems on the AWS platform. Those who obtain the certifications use DevOps practices to develop and maintain AWS applications. The prerequisite for the certification is the AWS Certified Developer Associate, and they give you tips for what to do before the exam. And they also give you some interesting information about courses that you can take. So start preparing for and passing the exam. Earning an AWS certification can open doors for both individuals and organizations they serve. Training for these certifications strengthens one's understanding of the concepts and techniques, while also boosting their confidence, engagement, and morale at work. Often new certifications lead to promotions, raises, and opportunities to work on coveted projects. For those organizations prioritizing cloud-dependent initiatives, employing professionals with these credentials assures a reliable skill set and commitment to excellence. To help prepare for these certifications, Skillsoft can help. Skillsoft's global knowledge is recognized as an AWS Partner of the Year in 2023, given the breadth quality of instructor-led training certification learning partners. So they're just basically giving you, basically telling you have access to the Skillsoft platform. So here, let's go right up here so you can see it right there. Okay, so let's review this. So the top 5 highest paying AWS certifications globally. Number 1 was AWS Certified Security Specialty. Number 2, AWS Advanced Networking Specialty. Number 3, AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty. Number 4, AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional. And number 5, AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional. All right. So I hope this has been helpful to you. And I hope it's really, benefited to you in terms of you doing your research for figuring out what certification that you want to study for in the AWS suite, especially if you're looking to determine which one will pay you the most money. I think that's very critical if that's what your objective is and that's what your requirement is. So I hope this video has been edifying. So I then want to thank you for watching and salute. If you like what you heard, go ahead and like, comment, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I put out more videos, and go ahead and share the word, and I will see you in the next video.